want to start the day off with some gratitude, thanking the Lord for all the blessings that we receive and thanking Him for another beautiful day. Work, 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 work. Work Wednesdays! You know what it is. It's Work Wednesdays, guys. What are you working hard towards, man? What are you working on for you, your family, your friends? You know, what are you working on today? And is it going to get you where you want to go? Now, me, I'm working on a bunch of things. I'm working on the few people that I've talked to over the last few days on really helping them increase the quality of life that they're living. And, you know, this is something that's important to me because I want to make sure that they understand that there are options out there, you know, to live healthier, fuller, more complete lives, and you know, not live in the dungeon, so to speak, in a tunnel of worry and misfortune and depression. Okay, we want to live in a life of joy and happiness and smiles and purely live the high quality of life that we're all very, very, very able to live. So that's what I'm working on. So what are you working on today? You working on your body? You working on your mind? You working on your soul? What are you working on today? Go ahead and ask yourself that question and make sure that it has a means to an end. All right, let's live intentionally today. Okay, intentionally. Thank you, Lisa DeMayo, for that. Let's live intentionally, because when we live intentionally, all right, we actually have to think about why we're doing what we're doing before we do it. And, you know, at least that way we understand the reason behind our actions. And that's all that really matters, is really understanding the reason so that we're not wasting our own time, people. All right, so let's work hard today on things that we intentionally want to work on. All right, guys, and I wish you all a great work Wednesdays. Let's go, fired up. We're about to get a good day in the gym. Again, we're back at Cugino's tomorrow night, 7 p.m., 1053 Farmington Avenue. It's going to be an awesome night. We're going to have a lot of fun. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys all there. We had a great turnout last week, and I expect the same thing to happen this week. You know, hopefully we can grow out of that place and really, you know, get out there and spread, you know, the good word. So, guys, God bless. I wish you all a great Wednesday, all right? Work towards your dreams and live intentionally. All right, guys, God bless.